Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Samsung Pay is not working in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you're using Galaxy S22 Ultra and you're facing the issue that your Samsung wallet isn't working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try to connect with a different stable and strongest network connection. You have to make sure that your network connection is stable and strongest. You can also try to connect with a different one. Then go back from here. Make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. Once I've disconnected, you have to go to your settings tab here, scroll down, go to software update, and make sure that your phone have an pending software update here. If you might get, just try to update your software, go back, go to apps, and in apps, you might see your Samsung Pay app or Samsung Wallet app here. You can also click on the start option, click on this enable show system app, click OK. Now just search for wallet or something wallet here, and you might get Samsung wallet app here. Once you get Samsung wallet in your phone, just click on that, and here go to storage, click on clear cache. You can also try to clear data of your Samsung wallet app, so it will it will clear all the junk files from your Samsung wallet app, so it will help you to fix all your issue. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to make a restart with your phone. You just have to scroll in the control center, click on this power icon, and here click on restart, and then click on restart button again. It will completely restart your phone. Once you have restarted, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.